Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to block Threads DMs without blocking profile. So that actually is possible on Threads. It's just you can go into that profile and then select or tap on an option that will allow you to block the DMs that will come from or and also without blocking that profile. So let's go into Threads, tap on Threads, and right here let's set an example with anyone just like that one. Alright, so let's go into it, or even you can go to the Explore right here and type that profile that you want to no more getting the DMs from. Alright, so let's go to this 3 points on the top right corner, tap on it, and right here as you can see you can either block or report that profile, but what I advise you to do is to go into this restrict. So by restricting this profile or the other profiles or too many profiles, etc., they cannot like, comment on, or share your posts. Even they cannot mention you in their threads, and you won't receive notifications for their activities related to your content, etc. And also they won't see when you are online or if you are read their messages. So this is a better way than blocking someone on Threads, and yeah, that's a good feature and a good option on Threads. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.